Hola, buenos dias. Day 2 at Ometepe and day 3 here in Nicaragua or in Central America. So today we're going to Cascada San Ramón, waterfall, San Ramón waterfall. Got my bag packed, got my water, because it's advised not to drink the water here, so getting water here in advance. I'm here at the entrance to Cascada San Ramón. I'm here with my guide, Serafin. He drove me here. He's gonna camp out though, he doesn't want to hike it, so it's just me, which is fine. This is the entrance to the hike. I was expecting a dirt trail. You know, Nicaragua is so untamed and untapped. And the ride here was the roads are just horrible when you got on the dirt roads. But this hike has this grand entrance, so I don't know what Cascada San Ramon's gonna be like. I feel like I'm going to like some temple. The one advantage of this hike here is that it's shaded. But yeah, for now, just hiking through this hot and humid climate here. I just kind of stopped here during my hike and you can see monkeys. They're not doing anything. But there's monkeys. So it's probably because everything grows so fast here in Nicaragua. But you can see these trees are like kind of intentionally placed, which is really nice. Whew. 1 kilometer. I'm 1/3 of the way here. Really push through, I can get there in no time. They said it takes 3 hours, but I'm typically faster than the suggested times. We're a little closer to some monkeys now that aren't resting, but they're still being pretty chill. I don't think they do much during the middle of the day. I'm probably like the last third of the hike here, and it's not a road now. It's finally like a hiking trail, which is a lot more shaded. I ran into some other kind of tourists here who are also going to Cascada. They speak English, so that's kind of nice for a change of pace. Yeah, here's the trail. A lot more technical, a lot more shaded. Still hiking up. The waterfall's gonna be close by any minute now. But it's kind of opening up into this kind of like cool canyon wall now.